Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, students have took a case from a government medical hospital, and the case is on laryngitis, and it was clearly explained the history collection, physical examination, and the medication whatever they have taken, and the prognosis of the patient with anatomy and physiology of laryngitis. So have a look on it.
Good evening everyone, I am Sneha Thomas. As a part of from BSc Nursing third year 5th semester, as a part of my requirements I was posted in Government Hospital Coimbatore. There I saw a patient named Mrs. Sara. So her case history is like this. Her name is Mrs. Sara, 35-year-old female patient. She got admitted on 13 January 2026 with the chief complaints of sore throat, throat pain, loss of voice, etc. And after investigations like physical examination and laryngoscopy, she is diagnosed with acute laryngitis. Now she is under treatment and undergoing medications such as prednisone, amoxicillin, cough suppressants, amorphine, etc. So she do not have any significant past medical history and do not have any significant family medical history. And her socio-economic status includes she is living in a nuclear family in a semi-paka house, and semi-paka house she is having proper electricity supply, drainage supply, and there is only 5 kilometers from her house to the healthcare facility. And her personal hygienes include she takes bath 2 times a day and have proper oral care. She do not have any bad habits, and her bowel and bladder is normal. So after physical examinations, it is being found out that she is having inflammation in the vocal cords, sore throat, and redness and soreness in the throat. So anatomy and physiology of the laryngitis. So what is laryngitis means? Laryngitis is the inflammation of larynx. So this is the structure of larynx. This part is called epiglottis and thyroid bone. This is thyroid cartilage. This is cricoid cartilage, and these three are called tracheal cartilages. So it is located in the top of the trachea, between pharynx and the top part of the trachea. So its functions include airway production, sound production and airway protection, respiration, etc. So for our patient Mrs. Sara, the nursing diagnosis include impaired verbal communication and acute pain. Then nursing diagnosis include impaired verbal communication, acute pain, and impaired risk for ineffective airway clearance. So its management includes take proper voice rest, humidifier, use humidifier, then take prescribed medications, etc. So this is the nursing diagnosis and management. So we are going to hear the summary about this case. So I will ask you questions, you have to answer. First question is define laryngitis. Who will answer?
Inflammation of the larynx.
Okay, correct. Next question is where is larynx located? Who can tell?
Top of the trachea between the pharynx and the throat.
Third question is what are the medications for laryngitis?
Prednisone, amoxicillin, acetaminophen.
Okay, the last question is what are the management for laryngitis?
Voice rest, use humidifier, use prescribed medication.
So as a summary, I will tell it once more. Our patient is Mrs. Sara, 35-year-old female patient, diagnosed as acute laryngitis. And after physical examination, she is being found with the redness and soreness in the throat, inflammation in the vocal cords, and here we are having nursing diagnosis like impaired verbal communication, acute pain, and risk for ineffective airway clearance. So as health education, we can do some home management such as provide voice rest, humidify air, and using gargling with the salt water, then avoid irritants. These are the home care managements. Then as conclusion, now her condition is getting improved by using these management methods. Now also she is continuing with the vocal hygiene to prevent further episodes. Thank you.